Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're working this roof, and you see this water coming down, how brown it is? That brown is exactly what I want to see. I want to see that brown. That is that blue-green algae dying. And when it rinses, that's what's going to rinse out, is that blue-green algae once it's dead. But I can tell based on the color of the, see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that's brown. That is not leaf stains. That is blue-green algae that is sitting on this black roof that will eventually, once we get a rain here in about an hour or two, this is going to rinse and should be pretty. Next week we'll come and kind of keep an eye out on it and see how it looks. I'm going to blend the other sides, but the front was the worst. There is a little bit, I don't think that this will be able to pick it up, but there is a little bit of where is it? Right there is just a shade of moss. But the moss is turning white, so it'll be gone here in a few months. And let's zoom out, and we're out. Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We did this roof the other day. We had a good rain, and there's still a little bit right here, and on that there's a little bit right here and here. Just a little bit right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down to like a 1%, and I'm just going to coat the whole roof with 1%. That should kill this, and just that little bit. This roof was really black. So I'm not surprised it's going to take a second coat. I was really anticipating it. That's why we're back out here looking after a good rain. And then we're going to have a massive rain tomorrow. At that point, all this should be gone, and we should be good after that, and it should look like a new penny. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.